so you're travelling the world. I saw.
You've opened one in Singapore, is that right?
Yes, in Singapore. Yes.
What?
Sydney.
Did he not eat bigos? Yeah, I think he ate it all. He's running away with that bread, but I can't. I just want him to come closer so I can get him on camera.
So you're working with Jamie. You're doing. What are you doing? You're doing something on May the 16th.
Oh, good.
Food Revolution Day.
Food Revolution
your
Day.
world, when everybody around the world have to cook.
Lost
Well,
it.
you don't have to, but make sure your family, everyone is cook for better food, better life,
Right.
healthy food.
Chasing each other back to with his bloody.
Food Revolution Day. We
Still running away with it.
Because it's only one piece they were
Yeah.
Politician now.
don't
Going
take themselves.
into politics, you know?
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
If that crow comes, I think he'll be leaving it.
I'm fairly certain you do very well. You're also doing Jamie's Feastable, the big Feastable.
Yes, it is indeed. Oh, I can't wait. That will be in August, right at the end of August.
This
And-
into here.
Yes, put them inside there.
Okay.
And we will enjoy.
And that's over. That's in the Cotswolds.